I feel like I've done more knockoff videos in the past 48 hours than I have in my whole TikTok career because I'm getting all these things that I ordered. So we have a Chanel and we have a Louis. Let's get into it. This is beautiful. Okay, it has blue tapes on the side, but look at these like connectors for the strap. Oh my, it smells like leather, folks. Look how cute, it's pink on the inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, here are the straps. Oh, it's got all the things. Let me put this together. Wow. First of all, this chain is heavy, which you guys know is like the #1 way to like tell if it's fake. There's also the logo on the chain, the strap. It's a black Louis strap, which means it can go with my other bags that I have. Y'all, this quality is maybe one of the best that I've gotten. Precious on the inside. Very impressed. Let's check out the Chanel. I don't know what this is because the company, oh, this is beautiful, this packaging. The company has surprised me with the bag. I told them to surprise me. So let's check it out. Guys, I have wanted this bag and I have yet to pull the trigger and get it. Look at that doesn't smell great, but that's okay. Let me unwrap it. Hold on. Okay, I know I'm in like gray sweatpants. But I mean, come on. This is the freaking cutest purse. I have been wanting this for so long. There's a pocket in the back. The front unclasps. There's this pocket in the front that's kind of has everything. Oh, there's paperwork in here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I was wondering if any of these came, or either of these came with paperwork. Leather's very soft, which I really like. Oh, let's see if I can, there we go. There's a pocket on the inside. Guys, this is freaking cute. And this is freaking cute. Like, excuse me? I'm gonna link these in my link tree immediately because you need to go. I am very impressed. Yeah, wow. I just woke up, so I look a hot mess, but I don't care because I have to do this unboxing. I'm so excited. Okay, so it comes with a dust bag. That's behind it. Paperwork and the bag. Y'all know I love these bags. So the paperwork and the box is like a burnt orange compared to this Louis orange. So, I mean, I don't normally care about those things, but some people do. Dust bag is beautiful. We got a new makeup bag, y'all. Oh, and it's got a nice zipper. Okay. Oh, doesn't smell like garbage. There are not any logos inside, but I have heard that these don't have logos inside. So, and I'm gonna be the only one looking inside of it. Does have the logo here, has the awesome zipper. Let's see if it fits all my makeup. I'm officially retiring my Texans Cheer makeup bag that I've had for 4 years, that I took to every game with me. It's now being upgraded to a Louis. And this has all my makeup in it. Everything's in there except for like maybe a couple eyeshadow palettes, but I kind of switch between those. So everything's in here. It zips really well. It still holds its shape. Doesn't smell like garbage, which y'all know is a huge deal to me. This is your sign to go upgrade your makeup bag to a Louis bag because this is precious. I have a feeling I know what this is, but I also don't know because I have like 5 billion packages coming. Oh geez. Okay, so it came with all the things, including a bag and some tissue paper and all the paperwork and everything. But let's get straight to the bag. Y'all, it's a mini black on the go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've fallen in love with this one, my big one that I have, but a mini? It's so cute. It has amazing structure. It doesn't smell like leather, but that's okay. It doesn't smell terrible. It does have the straps on the inside to make it a little bit longer, but it is significantly smaller than like the one that I have now. I think this is the MM, whatever the smaller one is. How cute. Oh, it's beautiful, y'all. Embossed. This is beautiful. There's gonna be a link in my bio. I literally just got this in the mail. I look like a toucan. I don't even care. I have to show you what this is because I have no idea what it is. I've ordered so many things. Hold on, I need to go get another bag. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this. Okay, so I got this like a long time ago and I wear it all the time everywhere I go because it's super easy. It's one of my favorite knockoffs right now actually, but I do not like the color green. It's just not my color. but pink is. Let's put it on. Let's see what it looks like. Holy crap, this is the cutest strap. Okay, that kind of rhymes. Yay, Dr. Seuss. Super cute. I am in love with this. If you don't have this bag already with this cute little coin pouch, you need to buy it because they have this strap in green and blue and red and pink and white and black. You can switch out the colors. I will definitely be switching mine out with the green one and the pink one all the time. So you need this bag because you can dress it with any color.